Good morning, students. Today's class we will start new chapter 4, and leaving a presentation. This chapter is about Microsoft PowerPoint software. This is also done in your last classes. Okay. Now open your book, page number 30. Microsoft PowerPoint provides various tools and features to enhance the appearance of a presentation. These special effects assist you in making your presentation attractive, effective, engaging, and professional. The use of special effects create a better impact on the audience. Okay, you can see this presentation with special effects. Now, what is the difference between slide and a presentation? In PowerPoint, we are only making slide. Now, there is one quick view. To shortcut to open PowerPoint is Window key plus R key. The run box appears and type in PowerPoint and then press the enter key. This is the shortest way to open the PowerPoint by run window. Now applying animation effect. In the PowerPoint, how can we apply animation to the text, to the pictures? That looks our presentation very attractive and enhance the look of presentation. The ability to move objects like text, graphics, charts, logos, etc. in any all direction of the slide is called animation. You can see these moving pictures. And animation control the order of flow of information, help increasing the interest of the audience. Now you can animate the text, pictures, shapes, tables, smart art graphics and other objects in a presentation. Like this, you can see applying sound effects, visual effects, including movement. You can see this picture is moving, text is moving in different directions. Okay, this is all about animation. Now follow the given steps to make specific changes to text and objects. First, open any presentation. Select that object that you want to animate. Okay, first make one slide with any text and picture, then select that object. Okay, after that then select the animation tab. You can see this is the animation tab and click on animation pane button in the advanced animation group. Now these all are the animation effects. You can select any one, then click on add animation button in the advanced animation group. Now drop down menu will appear with 4 different kinds of animation effects are as follows. You can see entrance. As the name suggests, these effects decide the manner in which an object enters into the slide during the slideshow. How can we enter the object in the slide or text? These effects make an object fade gradually into focus, fly onto the slide from edge, bounce into view and so on. Like this, you can see the preview. Now next is exit. These effects control the manner in which the object exits during the slide. And the sum of these effects are disappear, fade, fly out, fly in, etc. You can apply all these like this. Now number 3 is emphasize. This effect can be seen when the object is on the slide during the slideshow. This effect make an object shrink or grow in size, change color or spin in its center. You can see all the preview on the right. Next is motion path. You can use these effects to make an object move up or down, left or right or in star or circular pattern. These effects enable object to move from one position to another on a slide and on the specified path during the slideshow. Now you can apply any one animation effect on an object by using the option in animation group like this. You can see the preview in the combine multiple animation effect. Now to view more animation effect of each type, select the desired option available at the bottom of the add animation drop down menu. Now place the pointer on an animation effect to preview its result on the slide. Now choose the desired animation effect from the display menu. Then after applying an animation effect on an object or a text, you will notice that a number tag appears near the object on a slide pane. You can see number 1. To specify or set the timing of the effect, use duration field available in the timing group. This is the timing. From this box, you can set the timing of the object appearing and disappearing. Okay, and it helps to change the speed of the animation effect. Likewise, you can set the delay time before the animation begin using delay box. Now click on the play button animation pane to preview the effect applied on the slide or object. You can make use of reorder button to change the order in which the animation effect appear. Okay, you can change the order. You can see like this. This picture is coming with tag number 1, and this picture is coming tag with number 2. So when we are doing play button, when we are doing slideshow, the number 1 picture will come first and then second. Now, if you want to change the order, you can change the order of the pictures with reorder button. You can make this number 1 and this picture will number 2. Now let's going to remove an item from the animation pane list. Select it and click on the drop down arrow next to it and select it, remove. Now there is another, let's move more in the animation pane. A number 0, 1, 2 indicate the animation order. Star symbol indicate the type of effect used to the text object in a slide. Now number 1, the animation painter option in the advanced animation group copies the animation from one object and apply it to another. Okay, like in MS Word we have done format painter. It is copying the formatting the text. Now likewise we can copy the animation of the slide also with this button. Select the object and double click this button to apply the same animation to multiple objects in the presentation. Now number 2, if you want to remove the animation effect, then click on the object and select none option from the animation group on the animation tab. It will remove the animation of the object. Now click on apply to all option in the timing group on the transition tab to apply the same transition effect to all the slides. Now number 4 is click on the preview option in the preview group on the transition tab to play the transition effect. You can see the preview over here. Okay, now next topic is adding transition effects. How can we add transition effect if this transition effect is only applying on the slides? Okay, animation we are applying on the object and text whatever we have done on the slide. Now this transition effect is for the whole slide. Okay, if we are adding multiple slides, so we can set the multiple transition effects for each slide. Transition effect appear one slide change to other during the slideshow. You can apply transition effect to a single slide as well as to all the slides. Now follow the steps to add transition effect. First you have to select that slide on which you want to apply a transition effect. Then click on the transition tab. Transition to the slide group appear on the ribbon. You can see. Now click more drop down arrow to display all the transition effect. These are all the list of transition effects. Click on any transition effect from the displayed choices. The current slide will display a preview of the selected effect. You can see the preview. Select the effect options in the transition to the slide group to select an effect or choosing transition. Then click on the drop down arrow on the sound option in the timing group and select any sound effect of your choice. We can set the sound effect also for the slide. Then click on the preview button present at the end extreme left on the ribbon. Observe its changes. You can see the preview. Specify the transition timing by entering the number of seconds or minutes in the duration box. You can set the timing in this box. Then select the on mouse click checkbox if you want to advance the slide by clicking the mouse. Click on the after checkbox if you want the slide to advance automatically to the next one. Or you can specify the slide advance timing in the spin box also. Now click on apply to all. Apply the selected effects on the slide. Otherwise, those effects will be applied on the current slides only. Now open the slideshow tab. Then click on the from beginning button. Slide will be displayed from the beginning along with all the applied transition effect. Now you can see all the preview. Now there is another Extreme Mode Point effect option button in the animation group. Give different direction option to each transition. Now there is one tip for you. You can also apply transition effect in slide sorter view. Open the transition tab and select the desired slide transition effect. Now next topic is inserting sound clips. How can we insert different sound on the slide? Sound effect can be added to a presentation to highlight certain points and hold the interest of the audience in the presentation. Sound can be added in the presentation from the file stored on your computer. Now you can even record your own sound or can also the music from a CD. Now adding sound from a file, if we have already saved file in our computer, so how can we add that file with our presentation? First you have to select the slide where you want to add sound. After this, select the insert tab and click on the audio drop down arrow in the media group. You can see this is the audio button. Let's choose the audio from file option from the menu. Then select insert audio dialog box will appear. First you have to locate the audio folder on your computer and select the required file. Click on the insert button. Now you will notice a speaker icon on the slide. Two additional tabs named as format and playback appear under the audio tool tab. Okay, on the playback tab in the audio option group, you select either automatically or on click option from the drop down list and the start the add automatically option will start the sound automatically as soon as the slide appear in the slideshow view. Now where is the on click option will play the sound only when you click only. Okay, to play sound click on the speaker icon. Then play pause appears right below the speaker icon. Now there is another tip for you to continuously play a sound clip. Select the loop until stop checkbox in the audio option group on the playback clip. Okay children, now we have done page number 30, 31 and 32. Okay, all these effects you have to do practical practice of the MS PowerPoint. Okay, if you are not doing these points for practical, so you cannot understand well all these options. First you have to open MS PowerPoint and make one slide, one or two slide with any topic or environment, save environment, save water, save animals, on any topic. First make some slides, then apply and try to apply animation effects, transition effects on the slide and sound clips also. Okay, read the lesson again and watch this video carefully and do the practical practice of MS PowerPoint. Okay, now that's all for today's class. Next topic we will do in the next class. Now I will give you homework.